Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, and today I will show you how we can reset this device through settings. So, to get started, I do want to quickly mention that resetting your device does remove all the data from your phone, so if you store anything on it that you would like to maintain, do make a backup copy of it before you go and reset it first. Now, in here, we can back up your device in two different ways. So I'm going to quickly go over those two. If you don't care, you can skip forward by a couple minutes. But one of the probably most common ways that people do backups is through Google, as Google is just kind of inserting themselves without ever you wanting it, and tries to yoink all your data by just constantly popping up with the pop-ups to back it up so you don't lose it. And even if you try to not back it up, eventually you'll trip up and probably do so anyway by mistake. So Google then can steal your data. So that's one thing. And you can obviously go into your settings and search for Google Backup or just Backup. And you will see Account and Backups, and you have the Google Drive, and we have also Samsung Cloud. But what I do recommend, because this is Samsung, you can use the Smart Switch, which is an application that allows you to migrate data from one device to another, as long as the other device is also Samsung. If it's something else, you would need to use the application of the device that you're going to move the data to. So if it's, for instance, Xiaomi, you would instead have to use the Mi Mover application instead of Smart Switch. But you can create a backup of your data from this device to another one doing this kind of logic, even if you're not trying to migrate, but just back it up to an old phone. You could do that this way, and then just move back the data later on using then Smart Switch on that Xiaomi phone as an example. If you have a Samsung old phone, or you're migrating to a new phone, then it doesn't matter. Just use the Smart Switch. It comes with both devices. Now, with that out of the way, once you have your device backed up, we can go into our settings, and in here, we're going to navigate to, I believe it's General Management, and we're going to select Reset, and then you want to scroll down and select Factory Data Reset. This will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, and this includes all the applications, downloaded apps, music, pictures, and so on. Obviously, our device should have been backed up by now, so we can just move on. We have also Google accounts listed right here and Samsung accounts, which we can ignore for the most part. We're going to select Reset. And if you have a screen lock, you need to confirm it. Now, the reason I said for the most part is because of... Let's confirm it a second time. Because of this. So I actually need to... Okay, I'm not even going to be able to verify this because this upfront garbage. Oh no, there we go. I can actually sign out. So I'm going to go check the password because I actually don't remember it, and come back in a second. Okay, let's see if I get it. So once you type in your password, once you click on OK and you typed it in correctly, there we go, it just automatically jumps to resetting it. This should take about a minute or so to finish up, and when it's completed, we will be presented with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And you can see the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.